Yes, so student of class 10, your next topic is theorem 6.6. The theorem 6.6 is the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Means it is given that if you have two triangle ABC and triangle PQR, triangle PQR, in which both triangle are similar. It is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and we need to prove that the area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Means we need to prove that to prove area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to square of ratio of their corresponding sides, that is AB upon PQ whole square is equal to BC upon QR whole square is equal to AC upon PR whole square. Now you have to need construction in both triangles, so your construction will be construction draw a line AD and PM. Draw a perpendicular line AD and PM on the sides BC and QR respectively. So draw the perpendicular line from A to BC. This is your line AD, and draw a perpendicular line from P to QR. This is your PM. Now see the proof of this question, of this theorem. As we know that area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. This is the formula for the area of the triangle. And which type of triangle? The triangle should be right angle triangle. So the area of triangle ABC area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC into AD, base into height, BC into AD, and area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into QR upon PM, base into height, QR into PM. Divide or area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into BC into AD upon 1 upon 2 into QR into PM. 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 cancel out. This will be equal to BC upon QR, BC into AD upon QR into PM. This is your number first. Now see in triangle ABD means this triangle, and triangle PQM this triangle. In a triangle ABD and triangle PQM. So angle B is equal to angle Q because both triangle is similar. Number second, AD is perpendicular to BC and PM is perpendicular to QR. So angle ABC or angle ABD, angle ABD is equal to angle PQM, angle PQM, and angle ADB is equal to angle PMQ, angle ADB, angle ADB is equal to angle PMQ, from which property? Each 90 degree. So by angle criteria, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. If both the triangle are similar, so their corresponding sides will also be similar. So in this case, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. AB upon PQ, AD upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PM. And also you can see that in the question, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So in this case, the whole triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar, so their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, that is AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to CA upon PR. CA upon PR. So now here you can see that AD upon PM means this value is equal to AB upon PQ, and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So we can replace in equation number first AD upon PM to BC upon QR. So from first area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR into, and AD upon PM is equal to BC upon QR. BC upon QR, or area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR whole square. Similarly, we can prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC upon QR, here BC upon QR, and we also prove that BC upon QR whole square. So similarly we can prove that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square is equal to BC upon QR whole square, proof here, and CA upon PR whole square. So the conclusion is the area of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of ratio of their corresponding sides. So now see the exercise 6.4, and the first question is, let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If EF is equal to 15.4 cm, find BC. So see here, this is your triangle ABC and this is your triangle DEF. In this question, area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 cm square and area of triangle DEF is equal to 121 cm square. If EF is equal to 15.4 cm, so we need to find the value of BC. We know that from the above theorem, area of, or since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to BC upon EF. BC upon EF whole square. Put all the values. Area of triangle ABC is 64. Area of triangle DEF is equal to 121. We need to find the value of BC, and the value of EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter whole square. Taking square root from both sides, this will be equal to BC upon 15.4 is equal to, and the square root of 64 is 8 and the square root of 121 is 11, or BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 upon 11. This will be cancel out. 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44. This will be equal to 8 4 ja 32, 3 8 1 ja 8, 3 11. 11.2 centimeter. So now see the next question of your exercise 6.4. The next question is, diagonal of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at the point O. If AB is equal to CD, find the ratio of the areas of the triangle AOB and COD. It is given that a trapezium, this is your trapezium, ABCD, A B C D. In this question it is given that AB is parallel to CD and diagonal of this trapezium intersect each other at the point O. So we need to find the ratio of triangle AOB and COD. So since AB is parallel to CD, then angle OAB means this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to this angle, and the reason is AB is parallel to CD. So since AB is parallel to CD, therefore angle CAB is equal to angle ACD. From which property? Alternate interior angle. And number second, angle ABD is equal to angle BDC. From which property? Property is same, alternate interior angle as AB parallel to CD. Now taking both the triangle which we have to find in a triangle AOB and triangle COD. So angle CAB is equal to angle ACD. Here we have already find, and angle ABD is equal to angle BDC. This is number second. And number third, angle AOB means this angle will be equal to this angle. Is angle AOB is equal to angle COD. So by angle criteria, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. So if two triangles are similar, then the area of two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. So area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to AB upon CD whole square. It is given that AB is equal to 2CD. So now put the value of AB. Area of triangle AOB upon area of triangle COD is equal to 2CD upon CD whole square. CD and CD cancel out, and the square of 2 is 4 upon 1. So the answer will be 4:1. Now see the third question. The third question is in figure 6.44. ABC and DBC are two triangles. ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, so that area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AO upon DO. So first we need to some construction on of this in this question. Draw the perpendicular line. The solution is draw the perpendicular line draw the perpendicular line AP and DM on line BC, on the line BC. So AP is perpendicular to BC and DM is also perpendicular to BC. This is your AP and this is your DM. So we know that area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to ABC and DBC is equal to 1/2 into base means BC and height is AP upon 1/2 into base is BC and height is DM. 1/2 cancel out, BC and BC cancel out. This will be equal to AP upon DM. This is number first equation. Now see the triangle APO and DMO. In a triangle APO and triangle DMO, angle APO is equal to angle DMO. Angle APO is equal to angle DMO. Angle APO is this angle and DMO this angle. each 90 degree. Each 90 degree. Number second, angle AOP. Angle AOP means this angle is equal to angle DMO. This angle AOP is equal to angle DMO. Sorry, DOM. From which property? Vertically opposite angle. So by angle criteria, triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO. So AP upon DM is equal to AO upon DO. Now from first, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DBC is equal to AP upon DM, and the value of AP upon DM is equal to AO upon DO. Hence proved. Now see the next question number 4. In the question number 4, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. Means टू सिमिलर ट्रायंगल के एरिया सेम हैं, इक्वल हैं, तो हमें प्रूव करना है कि दोनों ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. सो फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन, assuming that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If both triangles are similar, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB upon PQ whole square is equal to BC upon QR whole square is equal to CA upon PR whole square. This is your equation number first. It is given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle PQR. In this question, area of two similar triangle are equal, so the area of both triangle is equal. Or transfer area of triangle PQR in left side, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 1. Putting this value in equation first, putting this value in first, so AB upon PQ whole square is equal to BC upon QR whole square is equal to CA upon PR whole square is equal to 1. 1 means the value of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. So from this observation, AB upon PQ whole square is equal to 1, or AB upon PQ is equal to 1, taking square root from both sides, or AB is equal to PQ. Similarly, BC is equal to QR, BC is equal to QR, and CA is equal to PR. So by triple S congruence criteria, triple S congruent criteria, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So now students, try to solve question number 5th onwards, like question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Thank you.